So next up, we've got the skin the cat, which is an awesome way to really drive some stretch through the shoulder girdle itself and increase that extension and the ability to extend. So we're gonna jump up. We can either do this pronated or supinated, depending on how we want to go. And essentially we want to tuck into a tight ball, pull our body through, and then we're going to come around as far as we can. You want to be able to see your toes in front, and you can obviously see there's a lot of pressure getting put through this bicep tendon, pec tendon, everything that crosses the shoulder joint through there. So you can either hang out there for as long as you can. If you can, have the strength, pull yourself back through and maybe do a few reps, or you can just drop. Now to get in the game for this one, you probably want to start on the rings and work through more of a German hang progression. So we're going to go palms down to force us into that external rotation, and then we're going to lean forward, and then we're going to just hang out here for a bit. You can see it's a very similar stretch, just obviously less intense because our feet are on the floor. We can make it even easier by stepping further. We can make it harder by dropping our hips down and going fully passive and trying to look up at the sky, and you're really going to feel everything through this anterior stretch out, and we're getting crossing of both joints, both the elbow and the shoulder, making it a really structural, strengthening drill.